There's something magical about waking up here, in the heart of the Dolomites. It's our very first time trying a van life experience, and honestly, we don't know exactly what to expect. But when we open the doors of our indie camper's van, the first morning light touching the peaks outside makes us realize right away that this journey is going to be something special. Everything we need is right here with us. A warm bed, breakfast waiting to be prepared, and the freedom to start the day already inside the landscape. The road quickly becomes the true protagonist of the adventure. Winding mountain passes open into pine forest, sharp peaks, and valleys that stretch further than the eye can see. Traveling with a camper van rental means we can stop where the view calls us, park in scenic spots, and enjoy the flexibility of letting the road guide us. Among the places that strike us most is Alpe di Siusi. Vast alpine meadows open in every direction, framed by jagged peaks. Walking here feels like stepping into another world. It's the kind of place where you lose track of time, where every turn feels like a postcard come alive. At Carezza Lake, the water glows in shades of green and blue, mirroring the forest and the mountains above. It feels unreal, and we stay longer than planned, just watching the colors shift as the light moves across the water. When we get hungry, our indie camper's van becomes a kitchen with a view. Cooking something simple and sharing it with mountains all around, we realize instantly it's better than any restaurant. Everyday life feels extraordinary when it's lived like this on the road. Getting ready for the hike, I slip on my jacket and lace up my trekking shoes, feeling that mix of excitement and anticipation. The trail around the Tre Cime di Lavaredo, at nearly 3,000 meters, is surprisingly easy and accessible. Today, the peaks are wrapped in clouds, giving the landscape a mysterious atmosphere. At Braies Lake, a light drizzle falls over the emerald water, softening the reflections and adding to the sense of mystery. Even on a gray, rainy day, the lake feels magical. As the day fades, we set our little table outside, watching the Dolomites glow in the last light. traveling with the Indie Campers van, shows us that a road trip isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about living them. We already know it's only the beginning. This journey gave us freedom, comfort, and memories we'll carry long after the road has ended. And it's an adventure we can't wait to live again.